Hi guys, good morning. Good morning to Mr. S is the best YouTube channel. And after doing my morning prayer today, and I was reading my Quran and my holy book, and after every Fajr prayer I do, and I was just sitting, and then Piku came to me. I can show you the Piku is here, and he wants me to pat on him. Come on, Piku, come this side. See, he's coming from this side and he's coming from this side. He wants to come in like this, and I have to pet him like that. And then stop him, and he put his leg on me and tell me to do it again. That's what he does. Piku, Piku. See, Piku. See, if you stop, he looks at me. You will see. Come on. He will go around and come from this side. See, he's back again this side. Okay, he sits here. Okay. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Sit, Pico, sit. Okay. See? Come on. All his fur. Okay, my God, look at that. My son gives him a good brushing. So all his comes out. I don't know where he has kept it, so otherwise I could have done that. See that? Piku, 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 Piku. Okay. Okay, come from this side, Piku. Okay. Come, sit here. See. Piku, Piku. And you will see Mithu is there. Mithu is on the cage. If you can see that, Mithu is there on the cage. Yeah, he's sitting and waiting for me to give him the boiled egg. Okay, I just have to make it. Come on, sit down, Piku. Okay, come on. Sit. Come on, sit. Sit down. Sit. Piku, come. Don't even touch my holy book. Okay, come on, Piku. Okay. And okay, Piku. Okay, come on. Now go. I have to finish my holy book. Okay, come on. I have to finish reading Quran. Piku, come on. Okay, shaken. Come on, shaken. Say I do. Say I do. Okay, come on, sit here. I already fed him the food, and he just want me to sit with him and talk to him and pet him. Okay, that's what he wants me to do. If I stop it, see, he will going to put his leg on me. So he wants me to do it. Okay, see, he will do it. Come on, Pico. Okay. Piku. See? Piku, you want to say good morning to all my YouTube channel fans? Come on. Piku, you want to say that? You want to do that? Okay. Okay, Piku. Okay, guys, I have to go. I'm reading my actually Quran daily. I read it in the morning. Okay, so it's in Arabic. and I can read. Okay, I can talk a little bit, but not I'm fluent, not very fluent. Okay, but I talk my language, Pakistani language, which is Urdu, and we speak. I speak 4 languages: Sindhi, Urdu, Punjabi, and a little bit of Arabic, of course, English. 5, 6 languages. Okay, there, but okay. Okay, gosh, all my fur is on my face. Oh my god, look at that. See, it just came off from my face because I have to clean my face, guys. Oh my god, Piku, now go away. Okay, Piku, enough. Okay, guys, bye now. Please subscribe my channel. Mr. S is the best YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon. You will get my all fresh videos. Okay, so that's what it is. And you want to say hello to Mithu? Mithu, I can go and you guys can say hello to Mithu. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, guys. Mithu, come on, say hello. Let me see. Where's Mithu? Mithu, see, Mithu is sitting over there. See, he's sitting over there. Mithu, hello. Say Ikra. Mithu, call Ikra. Call Ikra, Mithu. Say Ikra. Sajad, call Sajad. Mithu, say hello. 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 You will hear him in the back because I'm away from him. Definitely he talks because whenever he say Ikra, Mithu. Say Ikra. Come on. Say. You may hear him in the back. Okay. And because if I go and stand next to him, he will never. I have to tame him very well so that he talks. See, he's saying something. Say Ikra, Mithu, call. Hello. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Mithu, come on, say it. Say it. Come on. Mithu, say it. Ikra. Shazim. Shazim. Come on. Mithu, say it. Okay, see, he's whistling. He's getting in mood. Okay, come on, Mithu. Say it. Come on, I'm holding up. Come on. I'm waiting for you to say something. For my fans, please. Come on. Mithu, say. Call somebody. Come on. He just said it. He said it. But it was... see, he's starting whistling. Okay, say. Ikra. Shazib. Hello. Assalamu alaikum. You heard that? He said Assalamu alaikum. Good boy. Did you heard that? Good boy. Say Mithu. He's calling his name. I'm glad you guys has heard that. Say it again. Mithu. Mithu, you heard that? Okay, now he's saying Arabic word. I taught him Subhanallah. That means good boy. Did you heard him? Praise to Allah. That's what he says it. Subhanallah. Call Ikra. Shazib. Come on. Mithu, call. I'm glad you heard something that he talks. Good boy. He keeps saying good boy. Because whenever he does good things, I tell him good boy. And whenever he's down on the cage, I tell him Mithu, go back. Whenever he goes back, then I say him good boy. That's what he's repeating. Okay, say Assalamu alaikum. Mithu, say Assalamu alaikum. Say Assalamu alaikum. Hello, did you hear that? He said hello. See, if I take this camera very close to him, he will not going to say it. He says it in my way. You will hear it. I'm just keeping quiet so that you guys can hear him. Ikra. Shazim. Sajad. Say Assalamu alaikum. Mithu, come on. Come on, come on. Mithu is a good boy. Mithu is a good boy. Come on, say it. Come on. Okay, for those who are asking me that does he talks, you guys can see he's saying again. Say me too. Me too. Hello. Assalamu alaikum. Come on, say something. Me too. Hello. He's calling his name me too. Good boy. Call. Say Allahu Akbar. Say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Kul Wallahu Ahad. Allahu Samad. Lam Yalid. Walam Yulad. Walam Yakul Lahu Kufuwan Ahad. Say me too. Come on. Talk. Assalamu alaikum. He flies also now inside the house. He's saying something. Say hello. Come on. Come, me too. Come. Say. Good boy. No, me too. No. No. Don't do that. Don't. Come on. Good boy. Me too is a good boy. You want to come? You want to come to me? Come on. No, me too. Say hello. Hello. Okay, now I'm trying to go close to him. Okay, I will try and see if he says something. Okay. Say Assalamu alaikum. Shh. Say Assalamu alaikum. Come on. Say good morning. Good morning. Come on. But I'm glad that you guys heard him talking. Okay. Those who were asking me questions, does he talk? And I said yes, he talks. He talks a lot but only he talks when you are not close to him. But when you go one-on-one with him, he just stop talking, but he just look at you. Okay, so me too. Say hello. Okay, me too. I have to leave because I'm getting late. It's already what time it is? Let me see. It's close to 5:38. Okay, and I'm done with my morning prayer. I still have to read little bit of my Quran, and then I will go to my work. Okay, me too. You want to talk or no? Come on. I may see deer also outside. Deer comes in the morning, I feed him, and I try to go close to them, but somehow. Come on, me too. Say something. Say hello. Come on. Say hello. Come on. Say Ikra, Shazib. Good boy. Me too is a good boy. No, 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 no. Me too. No, no, no. I'm making your egg. Okay, me too. Now see, I'm trying to go to closer to him. See if he talks. Say hello. Me too. Say hello. 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 Assalamu alaikum. Say it. Shh. Hello. Say assalamu alaikum. Me too. Say it. Assalamu alaikum. Me too. Come on. Mithu, I'm coming closer to you. Okay, say hello, Mithu. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. No, no, Mithu, don't do that. Don't do that. Say hello to my friends. Say hello. Hello. Good boy. Mithu is a good boy. Come on. Mithu is a good boy. No. Say hello. Hello, 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 hello. Come on. Okay. Say hello, Mithu. Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Good morning. Good morning. Mithu is a good boy. Mithu is a good boy. Say, Mithu is a good boy. Come on. Say, Mithu is a good boy. Come on, say it, please. But you guys did hear him talking though. If I'm away from him, he talks. Okay, bye guys. I think that's enough. I know I'm closer to him. He will not going to talk. Okay. Say hello. Okay. Now I'm looking at outside. I have to fill my pond here. Okay, because it's running. You know, every time, every other 2-3 days, I have to fill my pond because the water dries out somewhere and somewhere may be leaking. Even though I redone it, it's still, you know, when the water circulates, it dries out and all thing, and then I have to fill it up. So I will go outside. Here is Piku. If I go outside, then he goes outside. Okay, you will see him when the Piku goes outside. Okay, I will show you how he goes outside. Okay, then he takes, see that Piku? See, I have opened the door to him because of the cold. He may see he goes. Come on, Piku, go. Okay, Piku, he loves it when he's going outside. Piku. Okay, come on. Piku, go. You want to come inside, back or no? Okay, now look at him. Come on, Piku. Okay, he smells the air and say he wants to come back. He just loves to go outside. Come on. You know, I painted one of my chair. Okay, let me grab my shoes. Okay, guys. Okay, he goes there now. He's outside. He will be back. Before I leave for work, he will be back. It's 5:45. Okay. See, I painted the chair, so I have to put the chair back up there, and it's already dried out. Okay, guys, I have to go outside now. What is Mithu doing here? Mithu, what are you doing here? Hello, hello, Mithu. You want to say goodbye? Hello, say good morning. Good morning. Say good morning. Hello. Hello. Mithu, hello. 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 Say hello. 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 Okay. Now let me just go and let me see. Go and see. Let me put my shoes on. I have to go and let's see. Put my shoes on. Okay, I open the closet. Okay, let me put my shoes on. You know, you guys have we got these. I have to show you my big paintings here. See that? Yes. See, you will hear Mithu also in the background. These are my paintings. We got it from Bangladesh artist Jamal Ahmed. Okay, his name is Jamal Ahmed. See these? See there? Okay, so I will just go outside and turn the water on to fill my pond. Okay, me too. If you're not talking to me, okay, I have to give you something. Me too. Okay, let me go and see what Piku is doing. Piku, you have to come back now. Okay, before I leave to work, I have to get you inside. See, he goes and eats the grass, and then he comes inside and throws up. Okay, I painted this here. I broke this one of his piece. So yesterday I painted these. Okay, so all my brother, I have to take this back. Piku, what are you doing? Piku, Piku Jan, Piku. See, he eats the grass and then he comes inside. Man, all his fur is on my face. Oh my god, I just put my lotion on my face and then his same thing. I have to turn the water on here. Okay guys, I love the bird sound in the morning. See that? Oh my god. Okay, I have to run the water in. Here I do. Come on, so it will fill it up and then I will turn it off. Okay. Oh, let's see if I can see a deer here. If I can go up in the morning, see up and see the deer. Okay. Come on, deer, deer, come on. You know, I have to plant actually. Come on, deer. Let me see, where are you? You know, sometimes deer are here. Okay. Where are you? I see you guys. Come on, dear. Usually they come in my backyard and eat the stuff I throw them away. I shouldn't be doing it, but I do. Okay, let's see here. No, I don't see any here. Usually they are here. Usually sometimes, you know, behind these trees they are there. If I can find at least one, usually a ton of them, I'm telling you. You'll see, maybe because of it's a little bit chill in the air, maybe they are not here. Oh, here, look at that, they're here. See, you see, that is, see, that is there, see. Okay, that is the deer. See, now he's okay. Looks like you will see the your face. He's going back inside. See that? Yes. Now this is the common area. Our backyard is up to here. Okay, this is a boundary line, and this is, yeah, if you see, I'm glad you saw it. Okay, there may be some more too. I'll see. Okay. Okay. Yeah. At least I'm glad you saw it. This is behind these trees. But anyway, you saw it. Okay, I can see one running behind the trees. But I don't know if the camera catched it or not. Okay, anyway. Okay guys, let me see how my peaches are doing. Okay, let me see how my peaches are doing. Oh, I love to be here in the morning, man. It feels so good. Come on, all these birds. Come on, birdie. I throw the actually seeds to birds also. Sometimes all my leftover rice over here. Okay, the birds eat it. Sometimes these deer come and eat it, and squirrels eat it. I do have garden snakes here. Sometimes I see if I can catch it. All these peaches are coming through. See these peaches now? All these are peaches. Okay, let's see here. Let me see if I can find a bit of a snake here. Come on, let's see here. Sometimes you see they may be sitting here. Come on. Okay. Well, let's see. Sometimes if I can find one, I have to take all these on. We were so busy in this long weekend, Memorial weekend, that I was not able to even work in my backyard to take it out some of these weeds. Let me see if I can see any garden snake here. Sometimes, most of the time I do, and they don't bother me. I mean, they are harmless, but they don't bother me. I don't bother them. I'll just keep on working my thing, but I'm very careful, because usually wherever the stones are, they come and live up here. Okay, that's what I'm trying to find one. Anyway, the video is getting too long, guys. I don't want you guys to get bored. Okay, so this is, okay, if I can see one here. Come on. Okay, let me see from the other side. Guys, let me see on the other side. I can show you if there's any over here on this side. Come on. No, I can find any. Okay, anyway, goodbye for now, guys. Enough with the video. I have enough of them, a lot of time. Okay, I hope Piku is back home. Okay, let me see. Piku! Piku! Oh, he's still outside. Okay, now let me show you how I make him go inside. Okay. Okay, Piku, go inside. Go, go, go. Come on, go, go. Okay, go, go. Shh. Arr, arr. Go. See, he's going inside. Come on, go, go, go. Do you see? Okay, I'm glad he's back home. Okay, so I will close the door. Okay, bye for now, guys.